We'll demonstrate backstitch. Again, come up at left of line. Take down forward about 1 segment distance. Let it form 1 segment. Then come up forward about 1 segment distance. Return to first stitch entry point and take down again. Let it form close together state. Again, move forward 1 segment distance and come up. Take down at second segment stitch position. Continue forward and come up. Return to previous stitch and take down. Each time taking down must be close to previous stitch. This way will form tightly connected state. Following these operation steps, complete remaining line. When stitching, maintain consistent stitch spacing and length. This way, stitched line will be even. If stitching halfway, encounter curved line, then spacing should be slightly shortened. Not shortening won't form curved arc. Same as stem stitch, encounter curves, then shorten spacing. This stitch very suitable for outlining some lines. I like using this stitch for lettering. Stitched lettering patterns appear especially vivid. Last stitch. Take down at this stitch. This backstitch is complete. Let's see the finished effect.